Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins at home using your air fryer. First, let's gather our essential ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and oil. Next, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking from the start. Remember to line your muffin tin or silicone cups with paper liners. This simple step makes removal and cleanup much easier, setting you up for baking success. Now, let's create that perfect muffin batter. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients, such as flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, including eggs, milk, and melted butter, until smooth. The key here is to gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients until they are just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so be gentle for a tender crumb. It's time to get those muffins baking. Carefully fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. This allows room for them to rise beautifully. Gently place the filled muffin cups into your preheated air fryer basket. Cook them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they are perfectly baked and ready. Congratulations, your homemade air fryer muffins are ready. Carefully remove them from the air fryer and let them cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This initial cooling helps them set. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy. Now, you can enjoy your warm, fluffy muffins as a delightful breakfast, a quick snack, or a sweet treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.